Hello bakers! Today we're making a midnight galaxy cake. No oven needed. This cake looks like a slice of the night sky, full of stars and wonder. We'll use the microwave for a quick magical treat. Forget what you know about baking, this is for everyone anytime. Sometimes you just need cake now without the fuss. This recipe is perfect for surprising someone or treating yourself. It's soft, chocolatey and beautiful. No fancy equipment required. We're making a mini masterpiece you can hold in your hands. Imagine serving this after dinner, everyone will be amazed. But our secret, it only takes minutes. Ready for a little adventure? Aprons on, grab your bowls. We're about to create something out of this world. Midnight Galaxy Cake is more than dessert. It's a joyful moment. Let's get started on our cosmic journey together. Let's gather our ingredients for this cosmic cake. For the chocolate base, 8 TBSP all-purpose flour, 8 TBSP sugar, 4 TBSP unsweetened cocoa powder, a pinch of salt and 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. For the wet ingredients, 1 large egg, 6 TBSP milk, 6 TBSP vegetable oil or melted butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the ganache, 100 g dark chocolate, 70% cocoa, chopped, and 100 milliliters double heavy cream. Decorations, gel food coloring, blue, purple, white or pink, edible glitter, silver or gold, and edible pearls or star-shaped sprinkles. Gel food coloring gives the brightest colors. Edible glitter and pearls become our stars and planets. This is where you can get creative. Make your galaxy unique. All these ingredients are easy to find, simple, but they'll make your cake look and taste amazing. Ready? Let's move on to mixing up our chocolate universe. Gather everything before you start for a smooth process. Baking is always easier when you're prepared. Let's get mixing. Grab a large microwave-safe mug or small bowl. Add flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder and salt. Mix well with a fork. Crack in the egg. Pour in milk, oil and vanilla. Mix until just combined. Don't overmix. The batter should be smooth and chocolatey. Place the mug in the microwave center. Microwave on high for 90 seconds. The cake should rise and look set on top. If the center's still wet, microwave for 15 seconds more. Don't overcook. Better slightly underdone than dry. Let it cool for a few minutes before decorating. This quick method gives you a soft, delicious cake in minutes. No oven, no fuss, just instant chocolatey goodness. Once cooled, we're ready for the Galaxy Ganache. Get your cake ready for its starry topping. Let's make that midnight sky. While the cake cools, let's make our ganache. Put chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Heat cream until hot, not boiling. Then pour over chocolate. Let it sit for 5 minutes, don't stir yet. After 5 minutes, gently stir until smooth and glossy. If too thick, add a splash of warm cream. If too thin, let it cool. This ganache is our dark, dreamy night sky. Take the cake out of the mug or leave it in, your choice. Pour ganache over the cake, letting it drizzle down the sides. Spread evenly with a spoon or spatula. Let it set for a minute before decorating. The ganache transforms your cake into a cosmic canvas. It's rich, chocolatey, and the perfect base for our galaxy. Now, let's add the stars. Time to turn your cake into a galaxy. While ganache is still wet, dot blue, purple and white food coloring on top. Use a toothpick to swirl the colors. Create marbled cosmic patterns. Don't overmix. Let the colors swirl like nebulae. Every cake is unique. Make it your own universe. Sprinkle edible glitter for a sky full of stars. Add edible pearls and star-shaped sprinkles as planets and constellations. Place them wherever you like. Get creative. Step back and admire your edible galaxy. You've made a stunning midnight galaxy cake in minutes. It's beautiful, delicious, and sure to impress. Enjoy every bite. You're a baking star. Share it or keep it all to yourself. This cake brings a little magic to any day. Quick, easy, and out of this world. Happy baking!